Although I'm also tempted to make a beeline for the nearest place selling something edible. That looks to be an e-bike. Okay, so where exactly do pedestrians go here? This can't be right. Am I walking through a construction site? There is no way this is right. No chance in hell I'm supposed to be here. And there's a police station across the street. What am I missing? Maybe I could have cut through this parking lot here. Did I miss the signs? What in the hell? Oh well. Oh, I was supposed to come up here somehow and walk along this part. I must have missed the route to connect to there. Did I just have a blonde moment, or is this just terrible design?